Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Virgin Media error code W02. So first of all, you need to make sure the white cable is firmly connected to the back of your TV box and the Virgin Media wall socket. From the wall socket, follow the white cable, making sure it's tightly connected to the splitter. If the TV box is connected to the hub, make sure the white wire going into the hub is tightly connected and the hub is in the upright position. Step 2. Reboot your TV box. To do this, simply turn it off, and then after a few seconds, turn it back on again. This should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then you have to contact customer support. All the details will be in the description below. Hopefully, this will fix the issue. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.